Okay, it is a wild day, and we have some new warnings out that I want to tell you about. It's quiet at the coast of along Palm Beach County for the most part, but we have a very, very strong thunderstorm cell and a new severe thunderstorm warning, or at least one that's been extended to the coastline now. The rainfall extends all the way back through the west coast of Florida, and earlier today we issued another in the second in a row weather alert day. And the risks with these storms are winds approaching 60, and with this cell right now, potentially 70-mile-an-hour winds. So we're getting up into strong tropical storm force winds potentially with this cell that is headed toward central and eastern Palm Beach County. There's a slight tornado risk, lots of lightning with these storms, and flood conditions are possible along streets as they're very quick movers, but they're training storms one after another. Here's the one that I'm most concerned about at this point, and it is headed into Wellington, Royal Palm, the Acreage, Loxahatchee in the next few minutes. In fact, it's right on your doorstep. You head out the door and you look off to the west. It is completely black because of this storm here that extends all the way up into northern Palm Beach County. Here's the times of arrival. Loxahatchee, the Aero Club's Binks Forest, Loxahatchee Groves, Sugar Pond, all the way back into Wycliffe, Madison Green as we get closer to 441 and Royal Palm in the next 5 to 10 minutes. These storm cells are moving at 50 miles an hour toward the east, and that's why the severe thunderstorm warning has been now extended all the way to the coastline. So from northern Broward County, Boca, Delray, Highland Beach, Boynton Beach, up into Lake Worth, West Palm, all the way up into Jupiter. This is a big concern. This cell is moving quickly, and it has some very powerful winds with it, too. In fact, Doppler radar just about a half an hour ago was picking up almost 60-mile-an-hour winds aloft in the atmosphere and some pretty good-sized hail, too. So that is another threat through the afternoon. All right, we have a couple more thunderstorm and quick-moving cells, one in North County, and well, here's the leading edge of that one I just showed you. See how close it is to Wellington now, and see how fast it's moving? So right into the Aero Club now. Into 20 Mile Bend, into obviously Lion Country Safari, and headed toward Royal Palm and eventually toward the fairgrounds. Here's another one that worked off the coastline, Lake Clark Shores in the last few minutes. There it is there, well, about to depart. And then up in the Treasure Coast, that rainfall that was over Okeechobee just 20 minutes ago, it's now all along the coastline. So this is really the situation through the evening. More showers, more storms, more torrential downpours through about 8 and 9 o'clock tonight. The weather alert day continues until at least 8 o'clock. I may extend it past that, though. As we get into the late evening hours, we'll actually start to see some clearing. There's a big cold front on the way for tomorrow, and temperatures will fight to hit in the mid-70s by Saturday and Sunday afternoon. That also churns up the seas. Northwest winds tomorrow at 15 to 20, 8 feet offshore by the afternoon. So strong storms, severe thunderstorm warning for almost all of Palm Beach County until 6:15, 59 the overnight low, 74 tomorrow and sunny, a complete change from what we saw today. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast, more sunshine for Sunday, and most of next week we do start to warm up each day. Now the strongest storm right now is headed into Wellington, Royal Palm, the Acreage, Loxahatchee, and around Lion Country Safari.